Do you have any condos I could use?
Dad, what the hell? Did you realize who you just texted?
Hey, I'm horny, you trying to smash?
Hi, horny, you trying to smash? I'm dead.
I'm confused.
Hi, confused, I'm dead.
What the freak?
It's the inside that matters, not the outside.
Really? Give me an example.
Refrigerator.
Makes sense.
Enrique!
So we're gonna rob that bank on Pitt Street? Is that a yes or no?
No!
What? Why?
You realize I'm your girlfriend, right? P.S. The cops are on their way.
Damn it!